So here we go. Well, let's do the pan of the whole room. So when you first come in, here's the workstation. And look, we got all the micas up on the wall. And all of the stuff we use on a normal basis down here. But there's our filming station. And look, we've got 2 soaps up and ready to go as soon as I'm done with this. The one we made last night, oh, and my Levo is working. It is using some chamomile and some sunflower oil, which is fantastic. All of our infused oils and glycerides. And more ready to go. We got our little bookshelf here. And then our glass beaker set. Here is the drying rack station. We've got a couple stuff hanging out, some special orders, and just restocks, storage for all of our cosmetic stuff. Yeah, there's my ladder because I can't get to the top of my stuff there. Some beautiful accents that I was given. Of course, my aprons, shred, all of that. And there's our door outside. All right, so the back table. Hanging out here is the next sets of soaps. We've got 8 that we're making today. So we've got them all laid out and ready. Their prep work's done. New rack that we got to kind of help organize some stuff. And then of course this is, let me move this. The good thing about this table, look, it moves. So I can get around a little bit better. Let's start over here, back over here. This is all of our sale. This is the sale rack. This is where everything goes once it's done and ready for sale. We've got all kinds of fun stuff. Look at all of that. We are all set and ready for charm. We are so excited about that. All right, next thing. So this is kind of where our packaging is. And some of our risers. We got new risers from our friend Snarky Chicken for our display. And then this is just like where we keep some of the extra oils that are in bigger containers. Our new sun, we are so excited about this. That will be going with us to Charm for its debut. Storage for oils and all of our other stuff. Just packed. The cabinets are packed. Oh, there's the back of the tiles. Hubby is working hard today as he is trying to get the, oh, there he goes. He's trying to get that done. All right, so these are our bigger masons. And then of course, these little beauties, when you order something online, I usually try to put something like that in there. Our beautiful walls. Columns will come in later. Kind of working with what we can do at the moment, but yeah. That's our big new tent that we got. That will be a reveal later. Behind that door is our storage, and it's a mess. But our cabinets for all of our stuff. And one let's open this one. We've got, when I tell you I have a fragrance addiction, I mean it. I have a fragrance addiction. The other one's not as nice and neat. It's just kind of got storage stuff in here right now. Cleaning supplies and things like that. Of course, here is my desk that I share with the hubby. But that's it. That's it. All right, guys. Thanks for going on this journey with us. Have a wonderful day, sunshines.